What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be making like a nameplate is what I'm going to say it's going to be. Uh, just something for us to put on a desk or something like that. So let's get started. So let's see here. You guys can make this whatever size. I'm going to make it, let's go 2 inches. And then let's go up 2 inches. So make sure your line is blue. That's indicates you're going straight up and down. Hence the line right here. So make sure it's blue. Hit 2, enter, and then just connect those points like that. And now you just have half plate, I guess you could call it. Okay, now go to push pull. Pull this out. I'm gonna go 4 inches. Hit enter. So that's how big my theme's going to be. Not real big, but I think it's big enough. Okay, so now we're going to go to Tools, 3D Text, and put whatever you want your plate to say. I'm going to do Design Corner. And then you can do it all one. You don't have to. I just hit Return to go down like that. My pen fell. Oh well. Okay, so now we have Design Corner. Choose any font. These all just came with it. I'm just going to leave that alone. I'm going to put mine in the center. And I'm going to leave that all alone. Place. Well, that looks too big. So what you do then is you come up here and you hit Scale, which is this one right here. And then I just turn this corner. You go really small. Zoom in. Do it again. And then just go to Move, which is this one. And move it over here. Okay, so now it's on there. Okay, I'm going to go back over to Scale. There. I want to make it a little deeper for me personally. Okay, so now, paint back over here. Okay, now we're going to go to tape measure. If you want this centered, you're just going to go around the edge. I'm going to go around 1/8 inch, sounds good to me. Oh, come on, where's an 8? There it is. And come to the opposite edge. Do the same thing. Except for it didn't show up. There we go. Now go back to Move. Bring it on over here. I'm going to set in this bottom corner. So I'm going to paint down here. And move it too far. Come back. Looks too far to me on this edge. Let's see if I can move it a little bit. There. Okay. Okay, so now we're just gonna go back to Scale, and we're just gonna pull this out until it reaches this other edge. So right about there, somewhere there. I'll just paint over there. Go back into here. Hit the wrong button. Okay. And then go back to this just so you aren't moving it. And look around. And there you go. That's how you make it. So if you wanted to print this on a dual headed printer with two different color filaments, you would want to, at least if you use Simplify 3D, you're going to want to print these or save them as different objects. So you're going to want to save this thing, the base, I guess, as one, and then the letters as a second. And then when you put it in Simplify, there's videos on YouTube how to do it. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to print it like this, save it as one file, and then if I want the letters to be a different color, I'll just spray paint them and tape off the edges. Both ways work, up to you. Neither one has a dual printer, so yeah, but that's how you do that. So that's how you make, well, I'm not sure exactly what you call this. Just gonna call it tag or name tag, paperweight. I don't know, something like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want, go follow me on Thingiverse or Cult3D. I'll be posting my projects on there, and Instagram, although you can't download my projects on there. The links will be in the description. Feel free to subscribe and comment what you think I should do next. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.